First of all, let's start off by not real good at making videos, so we'll figure this out. So this is the lower unit out of my boat. I cannot, so down inside here is a bunch of gears, which I'm sure I can figure out the real proper names of them if I look it up. But inside there is a keeper that this thing right here, if it'll focus in, that right there rides on, which that goes on the end of this shaft. It goes, let's see if I can do this. This little keeper right here goes on the end of this shaft. That's what I can tell. It fell off when I pulled this out. And it has to go down inside here, which I've been having a real hard time trying to figure out why it won't go down. And now I just realized that if you grab this pin right here and pull it up and down, it moves that. And I think that's how it's going to go together, but we're going to figure out, because once I get it in there, I don't really want to take it back apart. I can't, you can see that it wiggles. I don't think it turns. Yeah, there. You pull it up and down and that thing moves. I don't know if you can see it or not. It's going down and this way is going up. And that little keeper there, I think, slides in there. So I'm going to try this. See if that works. Nobody on any video I've watched has ever had this shaft. They've not had this shaft. They're all a shaft like it, but none of them have this end on them. Just like all the videos I watched, none of them. Well, now I've covered it up already. There's a metal piece in there I can show you on some other videos on how it, I may have to take this thing completely apart just to re-video on it to make it perfect, so that somebody else might be having this problem can figure this out, because it took a while. Oh well.